YouTube family, what is happening, man? I hope everything's good on y'all end, man. I hope everything is going your way, man. Hope you don't have any bad vibes on your end, man. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and tapping in with your boy. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure to check out some of my old videos, like, thumbs up, put that on there, drop some comments below, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, man. We want to have y'all part of the family and part of the whole long run of this thing, man. For my returning viewers, thank you guys for rocking with your boy, man. Y'all the real MVP, man. I appreciate that. I really appreciate you guys like rocking with me the long way. So let's not hold you too long. Let's get into the topic of today's video. And before I do that, I just want to, you know where I'm at, man. I feel like my channel started at this parking garage, man, because I did a lot of videos on top of this parking garage for my, earlier videos, and it feels good to be back out here in the location where my channel, I feel like it really started, man. So you see the title, you see the thumbnail, man. No clickbait account, man. You know how I've been getting down, right? I get a lot of questions in my DMs and everything, and I want to make sure I address them about this mod I have on my car. On my car, I have this front lip, which is the Scat Pack SRT lip that I added to my car. It did not come like that. I had a little smaller one that comes on the RTs and things like that. So this was something that I had put on my car. I get a lot of questions all the time as far as how to put it on, what do I need. I send links all the time telling people what they need to do, what they need to buy to make sure they can put this on and install it correctly and not have everything looking crazy. So in this video, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you all that information and let y'all know what y'all need to do to put this on correctly. This video is gonna be especially for those that have the Challenger SXT or you have the RT without this front lip on there. I know a lot of the newer RTs come with this lip already, but for those of you that are looking to upgrade and put this on here, make sure y'all stay tuned. This is going to give you everything you need to know. First and foremost, I feel like this is a mod that you may not want to do yourself. It is a very difficult mod to do. It does take a lot of time to do. I'm walking you step by step on how to get this thing installed, right? You do have to remove the whole front bumper, has to come off. There are clips, that push pins and stuff you got to take out. There's a bolt up in here you got to get to. Of course, you got to take all the bolts from up here out, get under the car. There's some bolts you got to take out there. And once you get the bumper off, you are going to need to remove this lower grill here to get access to the front lip to get it removed. Getting that removed and installed is pretty hard, pretty difficult to do. And if you break something, break a clip and things like that, this grill may not go back in and you may have to get a whole new bumper, and these bumpers are pretty expensive, so you don't want to do that. So the parts that you're going to need for this, of course you're going to need this. All the links are going to be in the description below. I'm going to give you the part numbers of what you need so that way you can plug it in, search it, and get exactly what you need. So first and foremost, you're going to need this part here. Next thing a lot of people forget when they do this mod, if you look back here in the fender well, there's a panel right here, this closeout panel. You're going to need that. Without this, your lip is going to have a gap, and you don't want to forget that. So make sure you get this panel. The part number will be in the description so that way you can find it. You want to go to Harbor Freight and get some more push pins, because these push pins got to come out and you end up breaking them. So you want to go ahead and replace these push pins once you get this out. This mod is pretty difficult to do. I suggest maybe get someone to do it if you're not comfortable with taking the whole bumper off. I will say this: if you are planning on putting a front splitter on the car, doing something with some lights, adding some lights behind the grill, I suggest that you go ahead and do that while the bumper is off, so that way you don't have to come back later and take the bumper off again. This is, like I said, a really good time to get any mod involved in the front end done at once. When I did this to my car, I did add a front splitter to my car. It's no longer on there. Rest in peace to the front splitter. It's gone, it's broken, and all that type of stuff. I got a video explaining what happened on that one. Go ahead and check that one out. But go ahead and get all those mods done. I do suggest getting someone else to probably do this for you, because like I said, there's a lot of stuff that has to be done to get this bumper off and put this on. It is really hard to do. Really aggravating. If you're good with cars, go for it. If not, take it to someone and do it. Depending on how much they charge you, it might be around a $200 job, because it does take some time to get this done. But in the end of the day, it still look pretty good. It makes the car look wider, more aggressive. Another thing that you guys want to be aware of, the Hellcats have a little bit different front splitter on here. The Hellcats have one that has like kind of sticks out a little bit further here. Do not buy that one. That one will only fit if you have a Hellcat bumper. If you buy that Hellcat splitter for this bumper, it will not fit at all. So make sure you save your money in the hassle and don't buy that one. I will have all the part numbers below, so that way you get the right stuff the first time and not be looking crazy and missing out stuff. I don't remember what size all the bolts are, but I'm pretty sure there's enough videos out there to tell you how to take the bumper off. It was a while ago when we did it to my car, so yeah, there's that. This is gonna be a really quick video. I just wanted to get this video out there for you guys to give you that information on something that I get asked a lot about. It is a worthwhile mod to do if you don't already have this lip on it. It changes the look of the front end of your car completely. The car looks wider, more aggressive, more angry, more evil. Any word you can plug in for evil, aggressive, this does that for you. So make sure you put that on your list of mods to do if you don't already have it. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, tapping in with your boy. Remember to hit the like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, we want to keep you around and make sure you're tapped into all my new videos that I got coming out. Thank you for tuning in. We're out. Cut it.